Hi, folks. It's Marv again with GetSetUp, and I have a little Christmas verse I'd like to read for you. 'Twas the night before Christmas when all through our site, everyone was stirring and checking the login over on the right. The tabs were placed on the website with care in hopes that the seniors would soon be there. The classes were nestled all snug in a row, while visions of excitement from GetSetUp I.O. And Mama and her kerchief and I in my cap had just settled down with iPad on lap. When out on the site there rose such a clatter, it must be coming from our social hour chatter. Away to the class I flew like a flash to open the class and join in the bash. With a pretty old driver, so lively, oh my, I knew in a moment it must be that orientation guy. More rapid than eagles and learners they came, and he whistled and shouted and called them by name. His eyes, how they twinkled, his dimples, how merry. His cheeks were like roses, his nose like a cherry. He had a broad face and round little belly that shook when he laughed like a bowl full of jelly. Might not be a small belly. Anyway, he spoke not a word, but went straight to his work, instructing and laughing, then turned with a jerk. And laying his fingers aside of his nose, he gave a nod. Up the website he rose. He sprang to the search tab, said, "Hope you don't mind." The learners all cheered, and they were all so very kind. But I heard him exclaim as he ended the class, "Have a Merry Christmas with GetSetUp and start learning tonight." Okay, that's it. Take care, folks. Stay safe and Merry Christmas. Bye now.